How do I memorize anything and everything?
Ancient lawyers like Cicero used to retain copious amounts of information so that they could give long speeches without looking at notes. You as a young lawyer or a law student might want to do the same. And the ancient technique that you can use is called the low-key method, also known as memory palace. You need two things. You need a location, like this outdoor space, your room, bedroom, office, or garden, a space that you know well and can instantly recall in your mind. Secondly, you need images. Images that correlate to whatever you want to memorize and that you place in chronological order within your location. Example, you want to memorize the landmark case of Donahue v. Stevenson, 1932, that held that manufacturers may be liable to the end consumers even though there's no direct contract between them. Now, let's say you have this location here, this tree. You imagine a Victorian lady sitting there at a table drinking something, because the case started with a lady drinking a ginger beer at a cafe. Next, at this location here, you imagine a giant outsized snail, because the lady found a decomposed snail in her ginger beer, which caused the illness for which she sued. Thirdly, you imagine here your neighbor waving behind their tree, because the court found that there's a neighbor principle that applies so that the manufacturer is liable for the damage that he causes to anybody who is close to him, including the end consumer. Finally, at this fourth location, you imagine Winston Churchill holding a rifle and looking at his waistwatch, waiting for the war, because the case is from 1932, just a year before the war started. You have no idea about the powers of this method, but you can unlock them. Follow for more tips and go win.